Some people always prefer to be on, even when they're actually off. So how can Botsplash help? Hi, I'm Willem Osich, and welcome to Botsplash TV. Botsplash's users range from mortgage loan officers to automotive representatives, and they're not always sitting at their desk waiting for inbound leads to come in. Offering a mobile app of its platform, as well as such features as Schedule Send and its very own scheduling tool Bookme, Botsplash's omni-channel customer engagement platform allows our users to carve out time for work even when they're not necessarily at work by working with their schedules and routines in mind. So if you'd like to know more about how Botsplash can help you with inbound leads even when you're not necessarily at work, feel free to reach out to learn more. I'm Willem Osich, and thank you all for watching Botsplash TV.